Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Humm. If you want to get started with the Humm Buy Now Pay Later service, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in shophumm.com and search. Now, select your area from the list appearing on the screen. To get started or sign up for a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you will then end up in the web application page. Scroll down and go through the terms and conditions and click continue. Now, register yourself by typing in your first name, last name, your date of birth information, your phone number and email address. Go ahead and enter all of those credentials. After providing all of your information, follow through the prompts till the end. You will also need to create a password on the next page, which you will be using while logging into the account. After providing necessary details, you will need to complete the sign up process, and that is how you can easily register for Humm accounts. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.